Hey, I'm Brent Dalton with B&D Chimney Services in Richmond, Virginia. I'm here to make people aware of the lightweight foil dryer vent material that's sold in all the hardware stores across America. This stuff is not an aluminum, even though it's nice and shiny. It's actually a plastic material. And as you can see on this material, it even has a UL listing label that says closed dryer transition duct. Now all your dryers in the country have a sticker on the back of the dryer that is a warning label not to use this lightweight material. So we don't recommend this, and I want to give you an example of what happens if you were to have a fire inside this product. I want to show you what can happen to it. Get some. Okay, we're going to take a piece of lint that we've gotten out of dryer, and we're going to stick it in the end of this to simulate a dryer fire. Come on a little closer, Lynn. As we light this stuff up, okay, as you can see, it starts to burn fairly rapidly. As you can see, the plastic on the outside is starting to burn. And you can see this is this is not a flammable material, right? So I would say, would you want this behind your dryer as a safety between a fire in your home? I would strongly recommend, if you decide to have this material, if you notice you have this material in your dryer vent, please call a professional so he can replace it with a hard ducting pipe required. You can give us a call at 804-520-4000 in the Richmond area, and we'd be more than happy to take care of your dryer vent issues. Once again, 804-520-4000, 804-520-4000. Thank you, and y'all have a blessed day.